Are you sending out marketing emails in HubSpot but want to ensure your recipients can easily unsubscribe from a specific email? In today's quick guide, I'll walk you step by step through how to add an unsubscribe link to a single email in HubSpot so you can stay compliant and keep your audience's trust in 2025. First, why is this important? Adding an unsubscribe link isn't just about following email laws like CAN-SPAM or GDPR, it's also about maintaining a healthy sender reputation and avoiding spam complaints. HubSpot automatically includes unsubscribe options in most email templates, but if you want to add one to a specific email, here's exactly how to do it. Log into your HubSpot account and navigate to the marketing section, then select email. From there, open the email you want to edit or create a new one. Once inside the email editor, click where you want the unsubscribe link to appear. This is usually at the footer, but you can place it anywhere it makes sense. Insert the unsubscribe link using HubSpot's personalization tokens. Click the personalize option, select unsubscribe link, and it will generate a dynamic link that lets your recipients opt out of future emails. HubSpot ensures this link is automatically tied to your contact list preferences, so you don't have to code anything manually. Customize the text around the link. For example, instead of a plain unsubscribe, you can write something more user-friendly like, if you no longer wish to receive these emails, click here to unsubscribe. Review your email for compliance. HubSpot usually checks for a mandatory unsubscribe link, but always double-check before sending. Finally, send a test email to yourself to ensure the link works properly. Click it, and you should be redirected to HubSpot's unsubscribe page where recipients can manage their email preferences. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've added an unsubscribe link to a single email in HubSpot, keeping your campaigns compliant and your subscribers happy. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more HubSpot tips, and drop a comment below if you want me to cover advanced email customization techniques in future videos.